Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick little showcasing of a scripting system in Unity that I've been working on for the last couple of days. If you're wondering what I mean by scripting system, what I'm trying to do is there's a game that I really love, Neverwinter Nights, and in that, all of their objects had a scripting system. How this system worked is anytime a certain event happened, a script would get called. So for example, there's a list here, so if let's say the object died, they would have a script that would say what happened when the object died. And the script was just a custom made Neverwinter script, which is really just a collection of a bunch of methods and constants that you plug and play into a single method. And I thought I could build this, so that's what I've been working on. And I'm proud to say that I've gotten the bare bones down. And I'm looking forward to having this fully fleshed out into a very similar system. What I have here is a test entity, which has a test entity script. This script is just a script that takes in my scripting language and then calls them. I'm using a custom inspector window. This is to showcase the events, so like on enable, on heartbeat. On enable is just when the object on enable gets called. On heartbeat is just every update tick. It's got a drop down here. If I click on the drop down, it lists all of the current scripts that I've made. The scripts are under Drake script is what I've called them, and the naming on them, it doesn't really matter what you name them. I just name them something in order for reference, kind of like what Neverwinter did. DS would mean Drake script. You would usually put like a model name or maybe a map name for it. Entity would be the object you're putting it on. I'm just putting entity, and then the last is just like what kind of event is being called or what you expect to call this. For example, OE for on enable, HB for heartbeat. It doesn't actually matter. I can use heartbeat on enable and it'll work just fine. On heartbeat on enable, it's only if you have a certain script for a specific event that that really matters. But I was just practicing around with the naming convention. So to show an example, if I click on OE for on enable, the on enable will get called on play, and there it goes. They're all just debug logs for right now. In the future, of course, I'll expand that out to more logic. And then on heartbeat, every update, whatever script I select here will get called. We'll just put in the heartbeat. And then as you see, every update, it calls that. To show what it's doing, all it is I have this base script here. In the future, it's going to be filled with tons of methods. Right now, obviously, it's only got two because I just created it. It's got the abstract call. That's the one that gets called on every subscript. And then these are just a couple of methods that these scripts can call. So I have these three here. They're all calling the speak, as you saw, and then I just put in whatever string value I wanted. They're very simple classes. They're just C#, just inheriting from my Drake script, and then having a simple single method that gets called on those specific event times. So for example, if I come in here, all I have to do is right click, I go to create. I've adjusted the script templates in the Unity folder, so I can just create one of my own scripts by just right there from the editor, so I don't have to customize every single new C# script. I just click on mine, I name it whatever. Like I said, the names don't really matter. I can name it pickles, for example. I do that. The moment I create it, it automatically updates my list of available scripts. I'm using assembly, get assembly. Thank you, Jason, for that. So for example, if I set I set pickles there, and then that'll be set, and then we just go in here, it creates the script, then we just have to define some logic, so we'll use that other one as an example. So it's basically just C# really, just supposed to be simplified, so there's not a whole lot of work to go involved with all of it. So we can do add value, and then just call that add values method, punch in some numbers, and then do that speak again. And then this is just to show you it working. If we go back to the entity, make sure it's on there. If I hit play, it should do the addition method, and there it is. So I'm really happy with the results of this so far. I'm definitely planning on working on this for the next for a while. Hopefully, I'd really like to really flesh it out, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it. Thank you.